Tired of paper clutter and want instant access to your Chase bank statements? In this video, in less than 90 seconds, I'll walk you through the super simple process of downloading your Chase bank statements online. First, head over to Chase.com and log into your online banking account. Enter your username and password, then click the Sign In button if you have two-factor authentication enabled. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account summary page. Find the checking or savings account you want to get the statement for and click on it. On the account details page, look for a tab labeled either Documents or Statements. It might be located near the top or on the side menu. Click on it. You'll be taken to the Statement Center. This is where all your online statements are stored now. Find the Statement Period drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down and select the month and year of the statement you're looking for. Chase usually keeps several years' worth of statements available online. Once you've selected the period, the corresponding statement will appear. Now, look for a download icon or a button labeled Download Statement. Click the download button. The statement will download as a PDF file, which you can then save to your computer or print, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Chase bank statement online. Easy peasy, right? Now you can access your bank statements anytime, anywhere. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.